how to change name in Facebook. If you're looking to update your name on Facebook, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your name on your Facebook profile step by step. Let's get started. First things first, what you need to do is open Facebook and log into your account. You can also go to the facebook.com website. Now what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here, go to your profile or view your profile. After that, simply click on edit profile. Now this is usually near the top of the screen under your profile. Now scroll down and click on edit your about info. Simply what you can do is here find basic info, and here you can add your nickname. If you don't want to add a nickname, you can also go back, tap on three horizontal lines again, go to settings and tap on see more in account center. Now do is simply tap on profiles and go to Facebook and click on name. Here you can simply change your first and last name as well as middle name, and after you've changed your name, simply click on review change, and once you've made the changes, you'll be confirmed to simply confirm the new name, and you may be prompted to enter your Facebook password. After that, simply click on save changes and your new name will be updated. And that's it. That's how you simply change your name on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.